Hi everybody, I'm Bill Donohue, the Vice President of Technical Operations for Endeavor Air. We're part of the Delta Connection Network. We fly about 150 regional aircraft for Delta. We are an all CRJ fleet. The partnership is something that I think we value and Mitsubishi values. We prefer to partner with the OEM. They have a lot of knowledge of the aircraft. They have a lot of resources available to them. We have a lot of trust with each other and a lot of a good, solid working relationship. It's been a good partnership. Not all of the problems can be fixed quickly, yet when we call out for help, Mitsubishi responds quickly. Sometimes things take time, but I really appreciate the way that Mitsubishi's been very responsive when we've needed help. So we can go to their service centers to have our aircraft repaired, and if there's a special tooling that's required, I expect Mitsubishi to have it. If there's engineering information that needs to be delivered, I expect Mitsubishi to be able to deliver it. They're the OEM on the aircraft. The advantage that we have for dealing with the OEM is a one-stop shop for all of our needs. As the largest CRJ 900 operator in the world, when we have an issue or a problem and we reach out to Mitsubishi, they respond, and I'm thankful for that.